Our All the Goodies favourite, Soho, has, both with its perfect location in the heart of London and its major transformation from shady backyards and dirty nightclubs to today's buzzing and creative neighbourhood, and has become the favourite area for many visitors to London. Today, the area between Oxford Street, Regent Street, Piccadilly and Covent Garden is bursting with great restaurants, cafes, small shops and cool hotels. In this video, we present our favourite hotels in Soho. In fifth place, SANCTUM Soho. This boutique hotel may be small with only 30 rooms, but has enough character and luxurious charm to be on our Soho top 5 list in London. The location is great, located just off Regent Street and close to Piccadilly Circus. When entering, you are met by the small reception area with great staff behind the desk. Everything is small, but the decor and design creates a wonderful world of glamour and sophistication. The use of dark leather, gold and velvet is seen everywhere. Even the room's door handles have diamonds. At number 4, Dean Street Townhouse. Located in Dean Street naturally, this beautiful white hotel was created by joining 2 Georgian townhouses into 39 bedrooms. When arriving at the hotel, you are first met by a cozy seating area in front of the hotel. Small tables sit under black parasols, and is a hot place for afternoon tea or cocktails in the evening. Inside, the reception area may be small, but further in, there's a small seating room inspired area with access to the lifts. Many of the design characteristics from London's past has been restored and brought into our century in a relaxed and elegant fashion. The rooms are small with a simple white and soft interior, and the large furniture blend in perfectly. In third place, the NADLER Soho. With a perfect location in a quiet side street just 100 meters away from both the buzzing Dean Street and the even more busy Oxford Street. The NADLER Soho greets you with a large statue above the entrance to the minimalistic reception area. A large glass video screen shows black and white movies in contrast to the warm lighting scheme in the rest of the hotel. The runner-up on our favourite list is the expensive but fantastic Soho Hotel, a very cozy hotel designed by Kit Kemp. When entering the hotel and reception area, you are met by an enormous sculpture of a black cat welcoming you to another colourful Ferndale world. The bar and refuel restaurants are located in one large room, separated by a glass shelf full of vintage oil cans, model cars and other old and newer stuff. The black frames are found everywhere in the hotel. And our winner is, of course, the Ham Yard Hotel, another Kit Kat designed hotel, with a fantastic location just a minute away from Piccadilly and Regent Street, and still in a quiet side street, or more exactly, a large courtyard, the Ham Yard Village. The hotel entrance has light flooring and large floor-to-ceiling black framed glass panels, letting light into the open reception, bar and restaurant area. An amazing mix of white walls, red walls, colourful, beautiful tapestry and furniture, creating a wonderful, warm, welcoming feeling. All the hotel rooms have floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the courtyard or across the London skyline. Thank you for watching our top 5 Soho hotel list. We hope it gives you some ideas for your next stay in London, if you are a design-conscious, food-longing traveller like us. If you want more information about our new videos, please subscribe to All the Goodies by pressing our logo.